Getting started with yourdmarc.com. First things first, open your browser and type in yourdmarc.com to navigate to the YourDMARC website. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left-hand side and locate the Get Started button. Click on it to begin. Here you have the option to sign up using your Google account or sign up using an email account. And for this tutorial, we will log in with our Google account. After signing up, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Now, let's add our domain. Type in or paste your domain name here, and then click on the Add Domain button. Next, we need to verify our domain. Copy the host name and value provided. Now let's add the text records to our DNS settings on our domain. For this tutorial, we are using Namecheap, but the process would be similar with other domain name providers. In Namecheap, go to the Domain Management panel, then Advanced DNS. Scroll down and click on Add New Record. In the drop-down menu, scroll down and locate Text Record, then click on it. Now paste your host name and value. And since we are using Namecheap for our domain, we only need to copy the subdomain part of the host. Other domain providers may require the full domain. Once you're done, click on the check icon on the right side to save. Now, let's go back to the YourDMARC website and click on the Verify button. Now wait for the verification process to finish. Take note that DNS propagation may take up to several hours to complete. Once your domain is configured, click on the View Details button located on the right side of your screen. Please note that processing your data and importing all your emails may take up to a day to complete. This time frame ensures that all information is accurately and thoroughly retrieved. Here you can see your domain's email senders, failed to send emails, compliance, and the number of emails received. Scroll down and you will see your email graph, the top 5 senders of failed emails, and the top 5 sources of email compliance, along with their details.